You didn't see my newest power!
Flaming power boots! We're still working on that technology.
Back! I'm not afraid to use this!
I said I wasn't afraid to use you.
Come with us.
This is Dookie to Johnny. We're going to need a turbo boost.
And make it a big one!
Over.
Whoa, didn't see that coming. Oh, right.
I'm not sure hurricane hands are your best feature. Try the power boots and melt that bad boy.
Now if you could only heat up our steak!
Oh, I can take care of that, Dad.
He's gonna blow!
Johnny! Then face my backside blasting power pooting wrath!
And you face my giant badminton racket!
Plan B. We fly lower and butt melt the feet. The pod will fall, crack open, and Susan will roll out. Go!
Hose him!
We're running out of water, sir!
Haha! I have you now. Huh? I'm out of power boots! This looks like a job for Johnny X!
I'm not going in there.
Stand down, evil snowman, and eat my shorts!
We're saved!
Then again, maybe not.
Forget it, Johnny X! Your butt blasts are futile against my awesome powers!
Oh, blah, blah, my awesome powers. Can I borrow your phone?
It's frozen and it won't work.
But I have mutant powers, so you can meet my behind. Power Boots, go! Haha! Time to find out just how powerful Super Duper Power Boots are! Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Super Duper Power Boots!
Oh, crud.
I didn't want to have to use them, but it's Power Putin time!
I thought you'd never ask.
Johnny X is fashioned with the latest in DNA and molecular enhancements. And he can power poot.
Oops, my bad.
A challenge.
Just blast him with power poots. It is truly your weapon. Just melt the X jerk circuits and prove that the test rule.
I know what to do!
That's not helping!
Well, neither is Johnny X! What's your plan, superhero? Sit and blow power boots into it and possibly resolder a circuit board and repair the red gas damage? Start Putin, boy!
What's he doing?
He's power
I did not need to see that. Hurry, Johnny!
Let's see if Smashbot can handle a flyby. Flyby power boot, that is. Hey, Smashbot, chew on this. Looks like I'll have to finish this the old-fashioned Johnny X way. Now we're cooking with gas.